Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will solve this question number 4 of exercise 2.4. Okay, so question number 4 is saying to find out. Okay, and I have written the very first question, students. Okay, as you can see on the board. So the question is very simple. Okay, and we have already solved such type of problems in previous segments, or you can say in exercises. Okay, but still I will explain you from the basic of this question. Now, as I told you students, whenever we have to divide any fractional number by whole number, or whole number by fractional number, or fractional number by fractional number, so what we are doing, we are replacing that division sign by multiplication sign. ठीक है, हम क्या करते हैं, डिवीजन साइन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन से रिप्लेस करते हैं. उसके बदले में वॉट एवर द टर्म्स विच आर रिटन आफ्टर द डिवीजन साइन इज गेटिंग इन्वर्टेड, इज गेटिंग रिवर्स्ड. जो भी साइन जो भी टर्म्स डिवीजन साइन के बाद में लिखा होता है उसे हम क्या करते हैं, इन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, या तो उसे हम पलट देते हैं. ओके, बोथ आर सेम थिंग. सो as I told you, what we will do, whatever the terms which are written before the division sign will be written as it is. Here students are getting confused. What they are doing, they start inverting this term, the term which is written before the division sign. So you need not to bring any change to this term. It will not be altered. It will be written same as it is. है ना. So we will write 2/5 as it is. Okay, then after we will replace this division sign by multiplication sign. After this term, or let it be fractional number or whole number or whatever, so what we will do, we will invert it. So numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. After this, what you have to do, you have to check out for the common factor and then find out the common factor. If no common factor is there, then multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then write it in final answer. Okay, so here no common factor, no common factor, no common factor, no common factor. So 2 2s are 4 and 5 1s are 5. This is your final answer. This was your segment number 1. Okay, now moving to next segment, students, segment number 2. In segment number 2 we are having 4/9 divided by 2/3. 2/3. Now again what we will do, we will not make any change in the term which is written before the division sign, so it will be written as it is, 4/9. Now we will replace this by multiplication sign, so it will be inverted. 3, it was 2/3, so it will become 2. It will become 3/2. Now find out the common factor. So here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, and 3 3s are 9. Okay, no more simplification possible. So here we are left with 1 1. So 2 1s are, we will have 2, and 3 1s are, we will have 3. So this one will be your final answer. Okay, now moving to next segment number 3, students. Okay, now segment number 3 is 3/7 divided by 8/7. Okay, now again same thing, students, we will write it as it is. Okay, no change. Now we will bring change, that is replacement of division sign by multiplication sign. So it will be inverted. Previously it was 8/7, now it will become 7/8. Now find out the common factor, 7 and 7, no more simplification. So 3/8 will be your final answer. Okay, now moving to next segment number 4, students. So 4 is 2 and 1/3 divided by 3/5. Now one more complication, or you can say simplification, has been introduced in this question, that is involvement of mixed fraction. So no issue is there. First we will convert the mixed fraction into fraction, and then we will perform the rest of the operation as in the previous question. जैसा हम पहले कर रहे थे वैसा ही करेंगे. ठीक है. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7/3 divided by 3/5. Now we will replace it, 7/3. Okay, now division sign will be replaced by multiplication. So it was 3/5, now it will become 5/3. Now check out for the common factor. Is there any common factor, students? No common factor. So 7 5 ja 35 and 3 3 ja 9. Okay, so more simplification is possible. That is conversion of this number into mixed fraction. 9 4 ja 36. So 9 3 ja 27. 36 it will not go. Why? Because here we are having only 35. So 9 3 ja 27. How much remaining? 3 and 5 8. Okay. If you will subtract 35 then by 27, then how much you will get? 15 minus 7 8. Here 0. So at numerator we will have 8. So this is your final answer. Okay, moving to next segment, students. Segment number 5. In segment number 5 we are having 3 and 1 upon 2. 3 whole 1 upon 2 divided by 8. Perhaps segment number 5 divided by 8 upon 3. Okay, now again same procedure, students. First we will convert this. So 3 2 just 6 plus 1 7 upon 2 divided by, or here only you can imply. See, I have to save my space for rest of the segments, so that is why I am adopting this method. Otherwise you have to go like this step by step. Okay, here I am jumping one step. Let me clarify you, students. You will understand it, but you have to solve like this step by step. पहला step में क्या करना है? इसे whatever mixed fraction is there, first you have to convert it into normal fraction. Then you have to replace the division sign. Then you have to look out for the common factor. If any, then all right, reduce it. Otherwise multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then write the final answer. Here I am going to jump one step, so I am telling you. Okay, so I have converted the mixed fraction into fraction here in this step only, and I am going to replace the division sign also in this step only. So it will be replaced by multiplication sign. Since we have replaced the sign, so we will make change over this term also. So it was previously 8 upon 3, so now it will become 3 upon 8. Now look out for the common factor. Okay, as I can see, no common factor, I think. So multiply 7 3 ja 21 and 8 2 ja 16. Now again you can convert it. 16 1 ja 16, and how much will remain? 21 minus 16. So 11 minus 6 5 0. So here you will have 5. Okay, so this was your segment number 5th. Now moving to next segment, students. Segment number 6. So segment number 6 is given as 2 upon 5 divided by 1 and 1 upon 2. Now the mixed fraction is given to that side. Okay, here I can't jump my step. Okay, so first we will convert this. No replacement will be in first step. First we will convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction. पहले क्या करेंगे? मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को पहले कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे फ्रैक्शन में, उसके बाद ही इसे रिप्लेसमेंट करेंगे. ओके, सो 2 1 जा 2 प्लस 1 3 अपॉन 2. नाउ रिप्लेस द डिवीजन साइन. सो 2 अपॉन 5 इंटू, नाउ इट विल बिकम 2 अपॉन 3. ओके, नो मोर common factor is there. So 2 2 is 4 and 5 3 is 15, already in simplest form. So this one will be your answer. Okay, now next segment number 7 students. Okay, so I hope segment number 7. Now it is 3 and 1 upon 5, 3 and 1 upon segment number 7 here. Okay, 3 and 1 upon 5 divided by 1 and 2 upon 3. Okay, so this is your question. Now here we are having two mixed fraction, so no problem is there. Okay, what we have to do, we have to convert these two mixed fraction into fraction, and then we will perform the operations as we have performed in rest of the segments, है ना. तो क्या करेंगे? पहले इसे फ्रैक्शन में बदलो. 5 3 जा 15 प्लस 1 16 अपॉन 5. डिवीजन साइन एज इट इज. 3 1 जा 3 प्लस 2 5 अपॉन 3. अब क्या करेंगे? ये इसे डिवीजन साइन को रिप्लेस कर देंगे किससे? 16 अपॉन 5 मल्टीप्लीकेशन साइन से. ओके, नाउ इट विल बिकम 3 अपॉन 5. प्रीवियसली इट वाज 5 अपॉन 3. नाउ लुक आउट फॉर द कॉमन फैक्टर. no common factor is there, students. Okay, so we will write it 16 3 is a 48. Okay, divided by 5 5 is a 25. And if you will convert it into mixed fraction, that is 48 by 25, then it will be 25 1 ja 25, and remaining how much, students? So subtract here 48 minus 25. It will not go 25 to ja. Why? Because 25 to ja is 50. Okay, so 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, and here we will have 2. So at numerator we will have 23. So this one will be your final answer. Now moving to next segment, students, segment number 8. I am going to solve it here. I hope you will manage it. Okay, it is 2 and 1 upon 5. 2 and 1 upon 5 divided by 1 and 1 upon 5. 1 and 1 upon 5. Is it visible, students? Yes, visible. Okay, so again we will do same thing, students. What we will do, first we will convert them into simple fraction, है ना. पहला करेंगे 5 to the 10 plus 1 11 upon 5, then division sign as it is. Okay, then division sign, then 5 1 5 plus 1 6 upon 5. Now we will replace this division sign by multiplication sign, so it will become 5 upon 6. ठीक है, पहले मैंने क्या किया, दोनों को भी मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को सिंपल फ्रैक्शन में चेंज किया. 5 2 जा 10 प्लस 1 11 अपॉन 5, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज 5 1 जा 5 प्लस 1 6 अपॉन 5. आफ्टर दैट आई रिप्लेस द डिवीजन साइन बाय मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन. सो व्हाइल डूइंग सो द नेक्स्ट टर्म, नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शनल नंबर हैज़ बीन इन्वर्टेड, उसे पूरा पलट दिया गया. ठीक है, सो प्रीवियसली इट वाज 6 upon 5, नाउ इट बिकेम 5 upon 6. नाउ लुक आउट फॉर द कॉमन फैक्टर एंड reduce it to the simplest form. So here 5 and 5 will cancel each other. We will have 11 upon 6, and if you will convert it into mixed fraction, then it will be 6 1 ja 6, remaining 5 will be your answer. So this was your question number 4th, last question of this exercise, students. I hope you might have understood it, and thank you for connecting with me.